Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we got something pretty special. We've got a slider from Alphonso on Facebook. He makes these like 3D printed sliders that you can like take apart and switch plates and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, I saw Gavin check one out with some like glow pattern on this, like the mushrooms. Yeah, so that's why I got mine right here. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. Let me find my knife. Where did I put it? Cannot find it. Alright, there we go. Found it. But yeah, this is a 3D printed slider. If you guys want to pick one up for yourself, go ahead and check out Alfonso's just Facebook profile. Just send him a DM and then just tell him what you want, and then he'll see if he can make it for you. So yeah, but let's get right into this thing. So I got a custom design on this thing. I guess we'll see what it is in a second. So we got some rubber spacers. And then nothing else in here. Alright. Here it is. There we go. So that is everything. Alright, so here's the slider itself. And here are the 2 extra plates I got. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the thick version. Or yeah. Alright. So this is the slider. One second, let me just get organized. Oh, I get it. Okay, I got it. No. So this is the heavy version, and then that's the light version. Alright. So here's a slider. Some extra tape. Thanks, Alfonso. And then here's a tape guide, I guess. Pretty cool. But I think he put tape on both of these. Oh yeah, I like this already. So this is a custom design. Let me see if I can actually, hold on, let me turn up the light. Let's see. All right, let's see. There you go. Gonna turn it back on. So yeah, basically it glows in the dark. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty fun little slider. Definitely one of the better ones I've tried, but 3D printed. And you can also just go ahead and easily pop these plates open. Oh man, that didn't go as planned. But yeah, so basically this one is like weighted with brass like inserts, I guess. So yeah, let me fix this real quick. What goes in the middle? Oh, okay, this part. Okay, got it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can just take out these brass things, brass weights. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But yeah. Come on. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna try to do something. I'm gonna tape it so there's no rattle around. So around there. And this is just, there's no rattle. Alright, there we go. Now the final thing I'm gonna do is this middle part. I'm gonna cut that out. It doesn't gotta be neat because this is on the inside. Just need some of it holding down the rattle. So that's one side. And now the other side. That was too much. Damn it, that was too much. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. No rattle whatsoever. Oh, forgot this. There we go. That's everything. Not the neatest job, but this will do. But yeah, so I'm gonna play with this for about 10 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of days. I've had time to play with this thing. And yeah, this thing is growing on me for sure. It's not as strong on the magnet side with like the other 3D printing stuff, but it's something different. Nice, chill, not too strong with magnets. Yeah. So, but now I really want to try these plates. So as you guys know, these are the weighted plates with brass inserts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try the plates that don't have that, and yeah, let's try them out. So how I'm gonna do this is basically take these covers off, take the tape off, all right, there we go. Gonna throw that out. So, damn, I don't think it was a good idea to put tape on this. It's all sticky and stuff, but whatever. I'm gonna get to this video. Oh, why'd I put that back? Let me just put these brass weights back in. All right. You pop out these two. I guess that worked. All right. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put plates in like this. Or like that. All right, there we go. And those are in. All right. They are on the same polarities. God damn it. I'm gonna put a lid on this one. Here we go. Perfect. Oh my god, this is a mess. That was not a good idea. That was such a bad idea. No, no, no. Don't stick to that. This is a disaster. What the hell? Oh, I got it, that's why. Bro. Oh, alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I did one side with this thing. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place, but... Oh, don't tell me. But not the same polarity. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. That should work. Jesus. Alright. That I made that way more complicated than it should have been. So yeah, not the right plate. And there we go. Okay, good. There we go. Interesting, a lot lighter and clickier. I dig it. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Gonna clean up this mess. But yeah, overall, I love this thing. I like that it has two different kinds of plates. He is sending me new new plates actually. I talked to Alphonso. He sent me new plates. I'm gonna check those out. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this for now, see how I like it, and yeah, keep you guys updated. So yeah, I made that more complicated than it ever should have been. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out Alphonso's Facebook. I'll leave it down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.